Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have an account and verified payments. Now monetize. First, enable monetization in your channel settings and accept terms. This creates an ad-enabled state. Next, link your channel to AdSense or the platform's ad manager so revenue routes correctly. You'll need tax and payout details filled. Once done, choose which videos to monetize. Toggle monetization on per video or apply to a playlist. Make sure to resolve any copyright claims before proceeding, because they block ads and revenue. Now you decide how ads appear and where. Select formats. Pre-rolls grab attention early, mid-rolls earn more on long videos, overlays sit without stopping playback. For videos over 8 minutes, place mid-rolls at natural transitions, chapter markers, or scene changes so viewability and retention stay high. Once you've placed markers, configure skippable versus non-skippable ad timing and set frequency caps to avoid alienating viewers. Also, test with a few videos to see how ad load affects audience retention and watch time analytics. Finish by auditing results and fixing issues. First, publish with ad markers live and monitor RPM and CPM in analytics. These metrics tell you what's earning. Once you understand performance, scale changes across more videos and adjust ad density. Less can mean better retention and long-term revenue. If ads fail to appear, clear common roadblocks, policy strikes, unresolved copyright claims, payment holds, ad blockers, or geo-restrictions. If needed, resubmit appeal for claims and re-enable monetization after resolving the flagged issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.